So some Footlocker reps contacted me a few months ago. Now I have a package, to my surprise, which is pretty daggone fantastic. So I have my knife and I have the package. Let's open it up. So now that I got the box out of the box, I guess it's time for the reveal. She got my phone. Oh no. Reintroducing the Aztrek, not inspired by 90s runners. It is the 90s runners bold design. Oh, is that what? There's a wrapper on this. There's a wrapper on this. Oh, they must know I rap. Who's that? I don't know who that is. Little Yakty. Little Yakty. That's his name, Little Yakty. Well, congratulations, Little Yakty, on getting that deal. Now it's time for that reveal. Bars, Little Yakty. That John like that. Oh, I got a pair of fresh whites. Oh, look at that. These are my crew colors.
These groups throw down some heavy shit. I don't want you guys.
Black, white, and red. These are the Illidale Flav colors. I might have to put some red strings in here though. Okay. What's up, Ricky? I got sneakers from Footlocker. Little Yakty is holding them.
Little Yakty.
I guess he's the face for these fresh Reebok classics. These ones are actually super fresh. You wanna check them out? Dancing in them?
I don't know.
You don't know? Well, I'm gonna have to test them.
Yeah, you would.
No, you wouldn't dance in them?
I mean, they're runners. I don't know. I'm not the...
You're not the runner type. But because I do footwork.
Some runners, yeah. But because you do footwork, yeah, that's gonna work for you. Yeah, for me, I was stunning them, yes, for sure.
You were stunning them?
Yes.
Can you define stunting in them?
Stunting. Not to do anything else, but to simply walk around in them and show off the leg head to toe. More importantly, how the shoes accent and complement the rest of the entire outfit. So I will go out stunting. Dancing them, stunt all day.
Alright, word. Well, I'm gonna look nice in the fresh whites. Give me the fresh whites. Ooh, with the fresh whites. These those is hot. I have to test these out. I'm gonna have to get them dirty. One of my philosophies is, if I can't dance in it, I don't want to wear it. I need to be able to move. I need to be able to spring into action at any time. Could also model these.
Move closer to your world, my friend. Take a little bit of time. Move closer to your world, my friend, and you'll see.
These are my steez, yo. Like these are super. They're my jams. I'm feeling them. But yeah, man, it's hot, right? Thank you to Footlocker. Shout out to Reebok, and thank you for watching. And if you want to watch more of my videos, they all fresh. Peace. And it's in this shot that I'm holding the camera with my knees so I can be free-handed. Right? Oh.